Well, hello everybody, and look at the temperature going on 7 p.m. and it's still 101 degrees. I did a short earlier just to try it out to see what it was all about. I don't really like those. And first of all, there's no way to monetize them. So it's basically just a short little spat of video that wastes my time and your time. Anyway, we're going on 7 p.m. and 101 degrees here. And I'm going to venture outside to do a little shorty video, mainly because I think my upload problem with the long uploads of 4 to 5 hours to upload a 10 or 12 minute video, I think that's all been fixed. And I'm going to shoot this one and try to get up to around 8 minutes or so, and then see how long it takes to upload this one. Because the one I did 2 days ago, that was about a 15-minute video, just short of 15 minutes. And that one uploaded in 10 minutes or so, something like that. I mean, it was fast. It was zing, zing, zing. That's what I was getting back in April before this problem started. So something got fixed. And the only thing I can think of is that morning I had gotten an update to the YouTube Studio app. Now, since my cell provider swore up and down, and they even gave me a brand new $1,000 phone to prove it, and they said there's nothing wrong on their end. Everything is still working the way it was, and there's no changes. So the only thing I could think of was contacting YouTube. So I did that. I contacted YouTube, and I said, hey, my cell carrier says it's not them, so it's got to be you. There's something wrong. And they've been working on it, and they told me that they were going to be sending me an upgrade patch as soon as they get it worked out, and that should solve the problem. Well, 2 days ago in the morning, when I got up, when I was having my coffee, I checked to see if I had any messages in the morning, and it said there were updates to a bunch of apps. I think there was like 24 updates. So in that group, there was updates to YouTube and YouTube Studio. So I installed them, and then later that day I shot that video, and when I uploaded it, I couldn't believe on how fast. I think it was like 10 minutes really. And it was really, really fast to upload a 15-minute video. And what I was normally getting with something like that was anywhere from 4 to 7 hours to upload that. So I'm going to shoot this one and see if this one goes up. Now, the short that I did earlier today, that wasn't a very long video at all. But that only took like a minute and a half to upload. So that was pretty quick in itself. And I don't know if that's something that just happens with shorts or whatever. But I'm going to find out. Now, when you watch this video, check in the comments below. I will have put a comment down there telling you how long it took for this video to upload. And we'll keep those fingers crossed and hope that it's been fixed. All right, so I showed earlier there was storm clouds over there, and like I said, that's as close as they ever get. It's all broken up and dissipated now. Storm clouds out over there, all broken up and dissipated now. So even though radar showed that I would be probably getting some of that later on tonight, I don't think that's going to happen. I think that's just a tease like it always is. So, what else do we have? Oh, well, unless the heat breaks, and I don't think it will. I was just watching the news and weather on TV, and they said that Wednesday or Thursday, Wednesday I think it was, but Wednesday and Thursday is going to be the hottest days yet. So I'm not looking forward to that. I can't get any work done. I did soak in the Tokuzi today when I did the short earlier, and you can tell when your body is overheated because the water temperature in that Tokuzi is 90 degrees. And since your body's at 98.6, but if you're overheated from the heat, your body temperature can raise up and be close to 101, 102 degrees. And if it gets any hotter than that, you can risk heat stroke or something like that. But when you get into that Tokuzi, 90 degree temperature water, and it's 107 degrees outside, and it makes you shiver when you're getting in the water, that means your body is way, way above 98.6. And then when you dip your head in and put your head under the water, and the chill that goes through your whole body from your head going in there, that cools off your whole body very quickly. And yeah, I mean, it's like your teeth chatter. It's pretty cold. So yeah, I know I've been getting a little bit on the hot side. So I'm trying to lay low, get things done inside the cabin, or run out and do errands. Which I did today. I did go to the supermarket and pick up some groceries so I don't have to worry about it all this week. I also filled up my tank again with E85. It cost me $40, which is half of what I have been paying to fill it up. With regular gas, it costed me $80. So $40 sure is a pleasure. Over what I had been paying. Of course, I'll probably switch back to regular gas. I don't know. I may not when the prices drop, and they have been dropping a little bit. Where I was paying $3.89 was $3.59 today for the E85. So that's 30 cents a gallon saving. But I could have drove an extra 6 or 7 miles. There's another gas station which I have been paying $3.29. So they might be down below $3. You know, that might be down to like $2.89 or $2.99. So I'll have to go check them out on the next fill up. But I didn't want to drive there just for that. You know, and drive the extra 6 miles, use a half a gallon of gas just to go there, and save enough money to buy a little over a half a gallon. Doesn't make sense. All right, everybody. So I'm over 8 minutes. We'll see how this upload goes. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget your thumbs ups, and don't forget to subscribe. We're doing great on subscriptions. And when I get to the lucky 7s, when there's 7s all the way across the board, we're going to have one heck of a special giveaway and a great new game contest that I've got planned. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me. This is G Bear signing off.